Okay, question 35 talks about calories burned and time in minutes. So the first thing I'm going to do is realize this has a lot of words here, so I'm going to sift through the information. N goes with calories, and T goes with time in minutes. So it says a person burned 275 calories. So I'm going to kind of set up for myself a little chart here. The first thing I come across are calories, and I know those were N values. So I'm going to say 275 calories gets matched up with 22 minutes. That's a T value. And it says the next day the same person burned 450 calories. Well, that was an N value, so 450 calories when that person was running for 36 minutes. It says which equation best describes this relationship? So I'm going to go through each choice and see which one is going to be my best match. So if I take A, it says that if I take 6,050 and I multiply by 22, I should get my N value of 275. Now if you think about that, that makes absolutely no sense. 6,050 times 22 is going to be way too big. There's no way that's going to even be 275 or even close. So I'm actually not even going to try my second pair of points because that doesn't make any sense. So that option is completely out. B says that if I take an N value, like 275, and I multiply by T, I should get 6,050 every single time. So I'm going to take my N value of 275, I'm going to multiply by 22, and see what I get. And I actually do get 6,050. So since that pair worked, I'm going to continue and see if the other pair works. The other pair says if I take an N value of 450 and I multiply by my 36, my T value, I should get 6,050. But if I punch that in my calculator, I actually get 16,200. So I can see that that does not match 6,050. So that choice is now out. C says if I take 12.5 and I multiply by my T value, for example 22, it says I should get my N value of 275. When I punch that in my calculator, I in fact do get 275. Since that works, I'm going to carry on and try my next piece of information. It says if I take 12.5 and I multiply by my other T value of 36, I should get my N value of 450. And in fact, I do get 450. So I do not have to carry on and try choice D because I have found an equation that works. C should be my best choice.